Hi, so this is a demo for the fourth build of InDesign to HTML5, the pre-release. So if you're not on the pre-release, you can see some of the features that are in this build. So I'll start off and I'll just do some of the things I would typically do in an InDesign document. You can see them working in the build. So I'm going to go in here. I've got a text box, and one thing I like to do is have a page number there. So I'm just going to add the current page number. And there are several ways to link in InDesign, and all of them are working in this build. So I can do this home link as a hyperlink. So if I open this up and choose page, I want my home button to always go to the first page. And then these buttons here, back and next, will allow me to have a custom navigation. So I will actually convert that to a button, and I can give that a name, and that will show up in the HTML. And I want that to go to the previous page. Do the same thing with the next button, but I'll call that next, and I'll have that go to the next page. So now if I go into the first page, there's another fantastic way to link that's built right into InDesign, and that is the table of contents. And I've got some styles set up for that, so all I have to do is basically run that command, and there's my table of contents. So I'll scroll down to the next page and show some links here. So go over to my browser, copy a link, select some text, open up the hyperlink palette, paste that right in, and I'll have a working link. I can also jump to a specific page. So if I create a new link here, I just want that to go to page 3. And I can also add an email link. So I just have to choose email and just say fake email at fakeemail.com, and you can even add a subject line that will show up. And in addition to adding links to text, you can also put links on objects. So let's just go ahead and paste that link right on the object. And last, and definitely not least, is the latest feature. This is CS6 only in InDesign. The exporter works back to InDesign CS4 right now, but this is a specific feature that Adobe added to InDesign CS6, and we're picking up on it. So I'm going to go over to Vimeo. It's a video sharing site. I'm just going to copy the embed code for a video, and I'm going over to InDesign and just paste it right in. And it'll read the HTML, and it'll resize the frame. And then I'm just going to put the frame into position where I want it, save my document, and then I'm going to go to File and choose Export to HTML5. I'll choose a folder for the exported contents, and it runs. Takes about a second. Open it up, and there it is in HTML. And so here's the table of contents, and as I mentioned, I can click on that. It'll take me to the page. I can click on the hyperlink, opens up a web page, and I can click the email link, and it'll open up my default email application, which happens to be Gmail on this machine. And I can also use this link to jump to another page. This object link works as well, so it takes me to that web page. Back and next buttons work. There's also these built-in back and next buttons. And the home button will take me right back to my home screen. And then we'll look at the embedded HTML, and there it is. There's the video, and also the HTML text from Vimeo. So I could click play and watch the video right in the demo. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep posting more features as we develop them. And if you're not in the pre-release build, this is the best way to see features. If you weren't a Kickstarter backer originally, I'll provide a link to sign up for our mailing list so you can stay up to date when this comes out. Thanks.